Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video with Miss T Ideas. Today I want to show you how you hide the stitch of your journal that you sew. If you're sewing stitches in your journal, okay. My computer went off on me and it kind of got me shook. I was halfway through the video. Okay, this is what I'm doing. All right, I'm gonna do it again. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you've been rocking with me the whole time, welcome back. And it's Miss T Ideas, and I am planning on showing you how to cover your seam in the middle of your signature. Okay. This here, I had it going on till my computer went off on me. This is my signature, okay? I fold all the pages. This is how I fold them. Like this. Okay, all of these are folded. This is outside of my signature. It's to cover my signature, okay? And it's like this. It's just folded papers. That's how we do our signature. All right. We take this here. We take an envelope. Take this envelope. I cut it on each side. Before my computer went off, I showed you how it was cut. I just cut a slither off each side for it to open up like this. Okay? And it's on the seam. You take this, hold it in place so you can sew it. And this is one I've already started on. So I'm just going to remove this. Okay, that's the signature. Y'all see the seam line? All right. Okay. This is some good paper, so I'm not going to mess with that too much. That was an example. Okay. Now, this is the same thing. I pinned it down, and I took my needle, and I sewed, like we do, sewed the signature in, went through the front hole, came out the second hole, went back, and now I'm just going to tie it off, okay? Scissors. It kind of shaky a little bit when you're recording and your computer go off, okay? I'm making this tight. What I'm going to do is go under here, like this. And I'm going to go under here, like this. And I'm going to take this, I'm going to tie it, like this. And I'm going to do it again. And tie it. Now, I saw this on another page, okay? That's mine. And I was interested because I was wondering, because you know, sometimes the seam don't come out, this don't come out pretty. Sometimes. And instead of you not just liking it, you can cover it. And it's a wonderful thing to know that you can cover it. And this is gonna, let me show you, I gotta get my glue. Get my glue and make it do what it do. Okay, I'm using some Aleene's. And since I cut this, I cut the envelope myself as to open it. The benefit was to open it and to hide this. We close this like this. Close this like this. close this like this. Let it stay flat. And here you go. Instead of have that tied off part, that page, this here, you can bone fold it down flat. That's a page. The tie off is in the middle of this envelope. There you go. Isn't that neat? Cause y'all, let me tell you, things happen. When you sewing, sometime on a seam, things don't come out quite right. But this gives you it gives you advantage to hide the whole seam. Some people don't like that seam anyway. So this is just a pocket. And y'all excuse me, because sometimes I learn these things. I pick up these things so fast and I do it so fast. You know, I decide to do it right away. And this is my first time doing it with y'all. Okay. But I was wondering if that could be done, and I seen a YouTuber do it. Now this here is not gonna be open. You can put a little tab on it. Some envelopes, I dyed this envelope. That way, you know, it want to do its own thing. I'm gonna just put this right here for now. But this will stay closed by itself. This is an envelope. You use it as a pocket and another page. The seam is inside of this envelope. I hope y'all understand. Because, like I said, as soon as I see it, you know, I want to try it. And sometimes I can't articulate what it's doing. Okay? So I keep turning the pages, hoping that you see what I'm doing. And that's a way to hide the tie off. Now, if you don't want your tie off hid, it's fine. But this, in case of some kind of damage, because we pulling paper and cord through here. Now, I don't have no eyelets on here, which I could, but this is just an example page. There. This is how it started. With this cut envelope, cut it, sewed the seam here. Let's see where my scissors at. You can measure out the seam like this from the top of the page, and you can make your holes where you want them. And you could even staple it. If you want to hide the staples, you could even staple it. But I just thought it was neat. See how long I've been on here. Yeah. I held it down, and it's gonna go like this. But it's gonna be glued back. So this, how it looks unsewed. This is how it looks sewed. And since this is coffee dyed paper, you know, the glue kind of come up from here. You can put a little tab, hold it down. But a regular envelope that's not dyed is gonna lay flat. And that's another pocket. That's a pocket, and it's a pocket and a closure. And this is so neat because it's inside the envelope. I could cut that string a little bit more, but this is just an example, okay? Turn the pages again. This is the signature. This is the envelope that was cut on each side. Just a slither cut on each side. Clip it down to give you leverage to sew it down the seam. And this is what you end up with. Then you glue this back. You're hiding the seam right here. You glue that back, and this becomes a pocket. A pocket and another page. Now I'm gonna put this to the side. There. I just made 2 holes because this is just an example. 2-hole binding like that. Another page with a pocket. Page with a pocket. That's a bonus. So this is a signature ready to go. Where is it going? I don't know. But this is for tutorial purposes only. That's what I made this for. This is Miss T Ideas. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my video. If you got any you think you got anything valuable, hit the like button. And subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. And Miss T Ideas. I got ideas. I get ideas. I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye.